When I was in primary school, my mom was also a student. The first time she had to travel for school, leaving my then 4 siblings and I at home with a sitter who occasionally checked in. The eldest was 11, the youngest was just 3. My dad worked at a different location, so he was only home during the weekends. That meant sometimes for several weeks at a time, it was just us, 5 children. Now here's the interesting part. My parents weren't confident because we were exceptionally mature or organized. They were confident because we were surrounded. Neighbors constantly checked on us. Other children were always around to play with. It was summer most of such times, so the neighborhood was alive. We missed our parents, yes, but we were never afraid because we had other parents. That kind of confidence today, quite rare. Parents will not dare you. Not because they love their children more now, but because community participation has reduced. People are less available to watch their own kids, talk more of watching another person's. Children now play more with screens than with other children. And even when neighbors are physically present, the relationship may not permit trust. In some neighborhoods, people live side by side for years and remain complete strangers. Now here is the deeper issue. Yes, there is an acquired relationship, you live in the same place so you are neighbors, but without active participation, without contribution, without engagement, that relationship is only positional, not functional. You can be neighbors without being connected. You can share a fence without sharing concern. And that is what happens when relationships are inactive. They exist, but they do not serve. Back then, our neighbors were not just close by, they were involved. And involvement is what turns coexistence into community. The question today is, where have we reduced relationships to levels without participation? Again, if it's alive, it must show. This is horizontal love.